everyone! Today our topic is the farm animals. In the previous video, I've taught you about the pet animals, but this time it is the farm animals. So please stay there and don't skip this video and learn with me. So let's proceed. Goat. A goat is useful to humans when it is living and when it is dead. The goat can provide milk. Sheep. Sheep is very useful animal. Sheep is a domestic animal. It gives us wool and milk. Horse are really fast and they are strong. Donkey is useful animal. It has been used as a working animal for at least 5,000 years. Cow. The cow is a domestic animal. The cow is a very useful animal. The cow eats green grass. It gives us healthy milk. Carabao. The carabao is a strong animal and they are very patient animal and they are obedient and they are hard working. Camel. The camel is a large animal. It has very tall legs and a long neck. It is a very useful animal. It is used to carry people. Chicken. A chicken is a very useful to humans when it is living and when it is dead. Chicken lay a very nice eggs which we are eating on breakfast. Now let's start with English to Arabic translation. The farm animals, which is called حيوانات المزرعة الأليفه. Goat. In Arabic is ماعز. Sheep. In Arabic is dawn. Horse. In Arabic is hisan. Donkey. In Arabic is himar. Cow. In Arabic is baqar. جاموس جاموس. Camel camel camel. In Arabic is Jimal or Ibil. Jimal or Ibil. Chicken chicken chicken. In Arabic is Dijaj. Dijaj. So that is all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Please like, share, and never forget to subscribe. Please smash that notification bell and comment down below if you want me to do other videos. Bye bye. مع السلامة.